you can get a little help if the white supremacists will go along with it. And sometimes they will, because otherwise they catch themselves into a contradictory type situation where the deception is exposed. So therefore, sometimes they will rule in your favor if you use constitutional law, particularly 5th and 14th Amendment in the Northwestern Hemisphere. They were reluctant to give that to black people, to allow them to have it. But someone made the decision, well, allow them to have it because they probably won't understand it or won't use it very much anyway. But those that see fit to do so will still have the bottom line control because some white person somewhere will make the decision as to whether or not their use of it is valid or invalid. So I recommend that people use it because you have to use something. You can only use what you're given in the system of white supremacy. The whole world is a slave ship, and all of the black people on that slave ship are under the slave master, the captain of the ship, who is always white. So anything that you get it from racist man and or racist woman. And that's food, clothing, shelter, the ability to move around or not move around. I mean, they can restrict you, and they do restrict your movements as to where you can go and what you can do when you get there. If you're black and you're anywhere on this planet, they make the decisions. They go where they please. White supremacists go where they please. Black people go where they are sent.